Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It has finally arrived. Only 3 months from bang, not so good. And it looks like the box is in one piece. There she goes. That's what I've been waiting for. Finally, after 3 months. So, and we got this one. 124019. Been a million unboxings. But same old thing with Wltoys, plastic. Keep that for your car if you take it to work or something, which I do. So it's a quick, easy charge while you're driving down the road. Yeah, that's it. Same controller. Worked pretty good. Not very long range. My body looks all tweaked. Something's the back feels pretty plush, but the front's a little tight. I see they got a little spot made for the ESC there. Kind of pushing it up a little bit. These sidebars are a little thicker, a little bigger. But everything else looks the same, so everything you saw me do on this one, you can see my last 7 or 8 videos. All the maintenance, you got to do the same thing on this one. There's no grease in anything. It does feel like the shocks are pretty good though. So I'm probably not going to mess with those. They feel good. But everything else, the toe in, you see this one's pointed in, this one's pointed in. These two are pointed in. And I'm just gonna most likely rip all this crap out. I'm probably gonna run it for a little while and just beat it. And then take that brushless motor that I put in this one and stick it in this one. And then do some speed runs, and then I got some other parts for this, a new body for this too. I'm hoping it'll fit. I ordered the wrong body, so yeah, see, this will fit perfect. It's gonna be turn it into a rally car. I don't like that. It's already got the holes in it. I didn't notice that. It should just fit right on there perfect. I just got to figure out where to mount those at on there. But I don't know if you can see that or not. Got the rally car. I got some tires for it. I'll be turning this one into nice rims. New tires. A little smaller, but I think it'll be just a tiny bit smaller. So probably painted either a white and blue color, something of that nature. So those are my plans with it, guys. So I'm gonna tear this one all apart. Put the grub screws or the group screws in it. Get it level. Not so high. Drop it down just a little bit. I don't want it sitting on the ground like for my speed car here. I got the front end all the way down, but just drop it down a little bit. A little center of gravity down. Maybe a little rake in the front. But other than that, I do like the color though. Looks like it's got a protective coating on it, which I'll leave on there for now. Get a couple scratches. Unpeel it off. Looks like the back one's off already though. I was hoping I might. I don't like the way they did that. Instead of moving this back, I wish they would have taken this one and moved it forward, so you can put a shorty 3S in here. And then you had plenty of room for your ESC, which I'm probably going to do. Probably going to slide this one up, drill a couple new pilot holes, new holes here, and then that way I can fit my ESC right in here. And if I have to, I can cut out this plastic here for the ESC to fit flat in there. We'll see. Because it might fit here. It's actually, I think it'll fit here because it's going to be a little shorter motor too. So we'll see. We'll see what it looks like. I already have an ESC for, a servo for this too. These stupid 5 wires. Alright, so there you go, guys. Like I said, I'm going to grease it all up and put it all back together the way it is though, and run it. And I might even try a 3S on here just to see. I'd probably pop the ESC like I did the last one, but you never know. Never know till you try it, right? It's like not like I'm gonna really use that again. So if I put a brushless in there, it'll be a whole brushless setup like I have on my other car. So all right, so I'm gonna get to that. I'm not gonna videotape any of that. I'm just gonna go in and tear it apart, grease it, put it back together. Take this out, like I said, eventually, but we'll run it. We'll run it, get some runs on it, see how fast it goes. It's supposed to actually be, that's funny, same setup. But it goes 2 miles an hour faster than this one's stock. So must be a different C rating on this battery probably. It's the only thing I can think of why it would go a little faster. It goes 2 miles an hour faster, so. Yeah. Get that tied in there. Okay. All right. There you go, guys. Just a quick video, quick unboxing. Got this finally. 3 months, man. 3 months. But it's 124019, the car number. Okay. 124019. And I'll probably take these foams off of here. I don't know. No, we're just gonna run that. That's right. I want to get another one and do something else, but it's down the road. And make it into just a speed car. I'm thinking I'm like the street running a little more, so I like these little buggies. I might get a LC Racing, get one of those. They're a little more well built. So, see, and this steering's a lot better too. Not so much movement up here. A little tiny bit. So, okay. Got it, guys. Stay tuned. We'll do a quick couple runs on it. And then we'll take it all apart again and make it look like something else. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.